Hey everyone, it's James from Decoded. You've got the best soil, water, and fertilizer, but your plants still aren't thriving. The problem? It's not just about NPK. Plants need dozens of minerals, and 5 of them are crucial for flavor, size, and resilience. Modern farming stripped these micronutrients from our soils, leaving our gardens running on empty. Today, we'll uncover the 5 hidden minerals your plants crave, and how to restore them for a harvest that's truly abundant. First up, silica, the plant's secret skeleton. Silica strengthens cell walls, making plants stand tall, resist wind, pests, and drought. It's like armor plating for your garden. Want to add it? Use horsetail tea, bamboo ash, or volcanic rock dust. Just a handful per bed gives lasting benefits. Silica isn't flashy, but it's the backbone of healthy, resilient plants. Give your garden the structure it needs to thrive. Next, cobalt, the spark plug for nitrogen fixation. Legumes rely on cobalt for bacteria to turn air into plant food. Without it, your beans and peas can't enrich your soil, no matter how healthy they look. Restore cobalt with seaweed or kelp meal, or broad-spectrum rock dust. Just a trace makes all the difference for soil fertility. Cobalt is tiny, but it powers the whole nitrogen cycle. Third is molybdenum, the enzyme activator. It helps plants turn soil nitrogen into proteins and chlorophyll. Deficiency means yellow leaves, even if nitrogen is present. Fix it by liming acidic soils or adding mineral-rich rock dust. A tiny amount unlocks your soil's full potential. Molybdenum is the key to making nutrients work for your plants. Boron is the plant's logistics manager. It moves sugars and calcium, fueling growth and fruit. Deficiency causes cracked tomatoes, hollow stems, and poor roots. Add boron gently. Compost with seaweed is safest. If using borax, use just a pinch per 100 square feet. Too much is toxic, so precision is everything. Boron keeps your plant's energy flowing where it's needed most. Last, sulfur, the flavor maker. It gives onions, garlic, and greens their punch and is vital for protein and disease resistance. Modern soils are often sulfur deficient since acid rain declined. Restore it with gypsum or sulfur-rich compost. Onion and garlic skins work great. Just a sprinkle brings back robust flavor and growth. Sulfur turns bland produce into unforgettable food. Don't let your garden miss out on this essential mineral. Silica, cobalt, molybdenum, boron, and sulfur. These minerals unlock your soil's true power. Restoring them boosts yields and flavor without more fertilizer. It's not about force-feeding plants, but empowering the whole soil ecosystem. When microbes and minerals work together, your garden thrives. Don't just add more NPK, dig deeper into your soil's mineral story. You're not just a gardener, you're restoring an ecosystem. Like, share, and subscribe to Decoded for more science-backed soil secrets. Thanks for watching.